Imagine a universe built not of stars and galaxies but of words and language. This is the domain of large language models, or LLMs. These powerful AI systems are revolutionizing how we interact with information and each other. LLMs are like the supercomputers of language, capable of understanding and generating human-like text in ways never before possible. But what exactly are these LLMs? In essence, they are sophisticated computer programs trained on massive data sets of text and code. This data, drawn from books, articles, websites, and more, allows LLMs to learn the nuances of human language. They can understand the meaning of words in context, grasp grammar and syntax, and even mimic different writing styles. Think of an LLM as a master codebreaker, deciphering the intricate patterns of human communication. By analyzing vast amounts of text, they develop a statistical understanding of language. This allows them to predict the next word in a sentence, generate creative text formats, translate languages, and answer your questions in an informative way. LLMs are still under development, but their potential impact is immense. From chatbots that can hold natural conversations to AI assistants that can write different kinds of creative content, LLMs are poised to transform many aspects of our lives. The key to an LLM's abilities lies in its training process. Imagine teaching a child to read by giving them access to a vast library. As they devour books, they learn new words, grammar rules, and different writing styles. LLMs learn in a similar way, but on a much larger scale. These AI systems are fed massive amounts of text data, often billions or even trillions of words. This data is carefully selected to be as diverse and representative as possible. Just like a child exposed to a variety of books develops a richer vocabulary, an LLM trained on a diverse data set gains a broader understanding of language. The training process involves feeding the LLM this data and asking it to predict the next word in a sentence or complete a given text prompt. At first, its predictions are random, but with each iteration, it learns from its mistakes and improves its accuracy. This iterative process, known as machine learning, is what allows LLMs to become so adept at understanding and generating human-like text. The more data an LLM is trained on, the more sophisticated its understanding of language becomes. It's like the difference between learning a language from a phrasebook and becoming fluent by living in a foreign country. The sheer volume of data used to train LLMs is what sets them apart from previous language models and enables them to perform such complex tasks. The inner workings of an LLM can seem like a black box, but beneath the surface lies a complex and fascinating architecture. Imagine a vast network of interconnected neurons, each representing a different aspect of language. This network, known as an artificial neural network, is the engine that powers an LLM's abilities. These artificial neurons are organized into layers, much like the layers of a cake. Each layer processes information from the previous layer, gradually building up a more complex understanding of the input text. This hierarchical structure allows LLMs to capture both the low-level details of language, such as grammar and syntax, as well as the higher-level nuances of meaning and context. One of the key components of this architecture is the transformer, a revolutionary development in natural language processing. Transformers allow LLMs to process entire sentences and paragraphs at once, rather than word by word. This parallel processing capability is crucial for capturing the long-range dependencies and relationships between words that are essential for understanding natural language. Think of a transformer as a master conductor, orchestrating the flow of information through the neural network. It allows the LLM to focus on the most relevant parts of the input text, giving it a deeper understanding of the relationships between words and phrases. This sophisticated architecture is what enables LLMs to perform tasks like translation, summarization, and question answering with remarkable accuracy. Section 4. LLMs in action, transforming our world. The impact of LLMs is already being felt across various industries, transforming the way we work, learn, and interact with technology. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, where complex information is instantly accessible, and where creative tasks are augmented by AI. This is the promise of LLMs. In the field of customer service, LLMs are powering chatbots that can handle a wide range of inquiries, providing instant support and freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. These AI-powered assistants can understand customer requests, provide relevant information, and even escalate issues to human agents when necessary. LLMs are also revolutionizing education, providing personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Imagine AI tutors that can adapt to different learning styles, provide instant feedback, and create customized learning materials. LLMs are making this vision a reality, democratizing access to high-quality education for learners of all ages and backgrounds. The creative industries are also being transformed by LLMs, with AI-powered tools that can assist writers, artists, and musicians in their creative processes. Imagine AI assistants that can help writers overcome writer's block, generate story ideas, and even write different kinds of creative content in different styles. LLMs are empowering creators to push the boundaries of their imagination and explore new artistic frontiers. Section 5. The Ethical Frontier: Navigating the Challenges of LLMs. As with any powerful technology, the development and deployment of LLMs raise important ethical considerations. Like the explorers of old charting unknown territories, we must proceed with caution and responsibility, ensuring that these powerful tools are used for good. One of the key challenges is the potential for bias in LLM outputs. Because these models are trained on massive data sets of human-generated text, they can inadvertently inherit and amplify existing biases present in the data. This can lead to outputs that are unfair, discriminatory, or even harmful. Another concern is the potential for misuse of LLMs. In the wrong hands, these powerful tools could be used to generate harmful content, spread misinformation, or manipulate public opinion. It is crucial to develop safeguards and regulations to prevent such misuse and ensure that LLMs are used responsibly. The rise of LLMs also raises questions about job displacement. As these models become more sophisticated, they may automate tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job losses in certain sectors. It is important to anticipate and address these potential economic impacts, ensuring that workers are equipped with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered economy. Section 6. LLMs and the Future: A Call for Responsible Innovation. The development of LLMs represents a profound leap forward in artificial intelligence, with the potential to reshape our world in countless ways. Like the invention of the printing press or the internet, LLMs have the power to democratize information, accelerate scientific discovery, and connect people across cultures. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop and deploy these powerful tools, we must do so with a deep awareness of their potential impact on society. We must strive to create LLMs that are fair, unbiased, and transparent, ensuring that they benefit all of humanity. This requires a collaborative effort from researchers, developers, policymakers, and the public. We must work together to establish ethical guidelines for LLM development, mitigate potential biases, and ensure that these technologies are used for the betterment of society. The future of LLMs is bright, but it is up to us to shape that future responsibly. By embracing a spirit of collaboration and a commitment to ethical principles, we can harness the power of these extraordinary tools to create a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for all.